School versus GoHighLevel, which is the better platform for online courses. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which online course platform is better among Skool and GoHighLevel. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Skool. Skool provides an intuitive and clean interface that is easy to navigate for both instructors and students. Emphasizes building a community around your course, offering integrated forums and group discussions to enhance student interaction. Includes gamification elements like points and leaderboards, which can increase student engagement and motivation. Combines course hosting, community building, and engagement tools in one platform, making it convenient for educators. Integrates smoothly with other tools and platforms, allowing for easy management of marketing and sales. Lacks advanced marketing tools and analytics, which might be a drawback for some creators. Offers fewer customization options for course design compared to other platforms like Teachable. As a newer platform, it may have fewer features and integrations compared to more established platforms. Now, let's come towards GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel combines CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, and more into a single platform, making it convenient for businesses and agencies. Includes tools for managing client accounts, making it an excellent choice for marketing agencies and consultants. Offers white labeling options, allowing agencies to brand the platform as their own when offering services to clients. Provides integrated SMS, email, and call tracking features, enabling multi channel communication from one platform. Generally more affordable compared to Skool, especially for agencies managing multiple clients. Due to its comprehensive features, GoHighLevel may have a steeper learning curve for new users. While it offers many built-in tools, it has fewer native integrations compared to HubSpot, best suited for agencies, which may not be ideal for all types of businesses. Choosing between Skool and GoHighLevel depends on specific choices and preferences. In 2024, the better choice will depend on whether you need a community focused platform for education school or a comprehensive toolset for business growth and client management GoHighLevel. That's all for this video.